I'm continuing with my project and I want to add some openings. So one way of doing it would be to go to the options here, look inside, pick a style. The other option would be I can right click on this, say create similar, and what I'm going to do is place a door here and a door there. Right. Now notice that if I pick the door, I can do inside. So by clicking on the group, I'm actually able to decide on what I'm actually dimensioning from. By clicking on the other group, you see a useful technique where I'm able to decide what I'm dimensioning to. I can click on the temporary dimension and say maybe I want 2 feet. So I'm now going to have room in here for shelving. The other thing I can do is that I can make relationships between objects. So for example, under modify and align, I could come up and say I want that and that to be aligned and lock it. So I'm actually fixing that in position. Let me grab a window. So I'm going to say right click, create similar. I'm picking the outside of the wall when I'm picking these things. See, it already knows what kind of window it is. And I'm going to go back to my modify and align, and I'm going to say I want that and that to be lined up and connected. So I'm ready to continue working here. Now there's one more important concept that I want you to see, is that when I pick on something, I've got a casement window 3x3 with trim. Right. And if I look down here, there's actually different types. So it's easy for me to go in and change a size. 36 by 60 high, 36 by 72 high. But supposing there was, so I'll just show you I can change it like that to change the height of the object. But supposing there was not the option in here that I wanted. Let's use the door as an example. On this door, say I've got a double glass door, and I look down here, and under double glass door I've got these 2 sizes. But I want something that's, say, 90 inches high. So what I can do is up here I can say edit the type, double glass door 2. I'm going to say up here duplicate. I want one that's 90 inches high. So I'm going to say duplicate. I'm going to call it by the name that gives it some meaning, 68 by 90 inches. And then down here under the height, I can type in 90 inches. So I can actually create different options for my door. Right? So if I pick, and if I want to make changes, suppose I do that and hold the control key, so I've got 2 of them selected, I can come down here and I can go in and say, and you've seen it, what it did was it added the 90-inch option. So I'm actually able to make the change in my model like that.